As social distancing becomes even more important, Jacksonville's Mayo Clinic is using autonomous vehicles to transport medical supplies. The Mayo Clinic is working with the city's transportation authority, an autonomous shuttle fleet service provider called Beep, and a French AV builder to drive tests collected at Mayo's new drive-through testing location back to the clinic. The use of 4 automated vehicles began Monday. The vehicles operate in full autonomous mode without anyone on board to transport COVID-19 tests from a drive-through testing site to a processing laboratory on Mayo's campus. Staff wearing gloves and protective masks place sealed containers of test samples in the automated vehicles, strapping them down before the doors close and the vehicles move off. The AVs are followed by a security vehicle with flashing lights along hospital roads to the laboratory. Pedestrians, traffic, and staff are kept away from the electric AVs as they roll silently to their destination. Their progress is monitored from a mobile command center to maintain safe operation.
This is pretty interesting.
This is cool.
Yeah, that AV bus there, the autonomous vehicle bus, I couldn't tell what was the front and what was the back. It's kind of an interesting design, and but no, this is one of those instances where we're being pushed to kind of accelerate some of our testing and some of our practices. You know, autonomous vehicles have been on the radar for a while now.
Right, and they're expecting, planners and they're forecasting that we will probably be fully autonomous by 2045. And that seems like a really long time away, but that's within the next 20 years.
Right, and I think this is a great opportunity. You know, obviously the Mayo Clinic over there, they have a large campus, and so, you know, from the testing sites of the laboratory, it gives them a chance to kind of real-world test some of these features on the AV machines.
And keeping people safe.
Yep,
Win-win.
absolutely.